Hey guys, if your Google Chrome browser is either running slowly or lagging, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you the solutions to fix this. You will need to go through each of these steps for the best results. So let's jump straight into it, and the first thing you want to do is load up Google Chrome. And we need to disable any Chrome extensions by hitting these three little dots here and coming down to extensions, and then hit manage extensions. And you basically want to remove or disable any extensions that you're not currently using, as this can really slow down your application. So as you can see here, I've already disabled all mine, and I can go one step further by just hitting this remove button. I'm selecting remove. Once we've done that, we can come back to these three little dots, scroll all the way down and come into the settings tab. Come inside of the system tab on the left here, and you want to make sure use graphics acceleration when available is enabled. Then we can just hit relaunch to relaunch Google Chrome. Once we've done that, we need to come to the start menu and search for CMD. Then you want to right click on this command prompt and make sure to run it as administrator. Inside of this command window, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS, and this is basically just going to flush all of your network cache. And then you want to type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Once we've done that, we can close out of the command prompt window, and you want to come back to the start menu and search for control panel. Tap on the control panel icon and make sure view by is set to category, and then come into view network status and tasks. On the left where it says change adapter settings, click that, and we need to locate the network that we're currently using. So for me, it's this internet here, and we can right click it and come into properties, and you need to select Internet Protocol version 4 from this list. Come into properties, then we want to change where it says obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses, and you want to type in here 8888 and 8844. Then we can press OK to save the changes. If that's still not working, the next thing we can do is come to the Task Manager by pressing the Start menu and searching for Task Manager. Tap on the Task Manager icon, and you want to close down any applications that are using a lot of resources. We can order it by which ones are using the most amount of resources by hitting this Memory tab, and then just right click on anything we're not currently using and select End Task. Next thing you want to do is come back to Google Chrome. Come back to the Settings menu by hitting these three little dots and come into Settings, then come into Performance on the left here, and you want to make sure Memory Saver is enabled. Then come into the Privacy and Security tab, come down to where it says Security and click that, and we want to make sure Enhanced Protection is enabled. And this is basically going to give us faster and better protection against dangerous websites, which can also improve the speed of your internet browser. Once we've done that, we need to come back to these three little dots on the right here, and we want to select Clear Browsing Data. Then make sure Browsing History, Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images or Files are selected, and then hit Clear Data. Then the last and final thing we can do is close out of our internet browser, come over to the Start menu, and you want to search for File Explorer. Tap on the File Explorer tab, come down into the C drive, select the C drive, into Program Files, inside of Google, Chrome, Application, and inside of here you should see the Chrome application. All we want to do is right click on this, and we want to select to rename, and at the end of Chrome we want to type in the digit 1 and hit enter. Then we can right click it again, come into show more options, then come down to send to, and we want to send this to our desktop to create a shortcut of it. Then we can close out of this window, and we can simply launch up Google Chrome from here, and that should have now fixed your problems. In order for all of the changes to take effect, I'd recommend restarting your computer at this point. So hopefully by now that's fixed all of your lagging and slow Google Chrome issues. If you still are experiencing a problem, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.